Welcome to Module 2.6. In this module, I'm going to show you how to add and subtract with fractions. So in this particular video, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to add fractions with the same denominators. So I'm also going to show you, I'm kind of going to skip around here. I'm also going to show you how to subtract fractions with the same denominators. So if the denominator is already the same, all we have to do is add the numerators. Okay, we can keep the common denominator, and then after we add, we can reduce if possible. So if the denominators are not the same, you cannot go ahead and add them. So let me explain. So let's say we're going to eat large pizza again. So this time, my two large pizza, one of them is only cut into 4 slices, but another one is cut by standard, which is 8 slices. So if I only eat one out of the 4 slices, okay, from the first pizza, and I also gonna eat 1 slice out of the one that cut into 8 of them. So that's 1 out of the 8, right? Because I cut into 8 slices. So does that mean I ate 2 pizza out of 12? And the answer is no, because I actually don't have, because my 2 pizza is actually not cut into equal slice. One of them is only cutting 4, the other one is cutting 8. So before I can add any fraction, I got to make sure the denominator are cut into equal slice. Okay, so I cannot add the denominator, okay, at all. And I cannot add my numerator before the denominator is the same. Okay, so for this problem in particular, since the denominators are the same already, I can go ahead and add my numerator. 15 plus 9 is 24. Denominator don't change. Okay, it's still 16 because I actually cut my pizza, both of my pizza, into 16 slices. Okay, so that denominator got to stay the same. All right, reduce if I can. I think I can reduce them by 4. So that gave me 6 over 4, and I can reduce them again by 2, so that means I could have reduced by 8 started with. So my answer is 3 over 2. Since the problem does not ask me to convert them back into mixed number, then I can leave it as 3 over 2. All right, let's try another one, okay? Denominators are already the same, so I can go ahead and add my numerators together. So my least common denominator, the LCD, is 181. So 85 plus 5 is 90. 90 plus 9 is 99. All right, so let's see if I can reduce this. Okay, I know 99, these are big numbers, so I'm thinking about prime factorization. I know 99 is 11 times 9. All right. I know 9 is also 3 times 3. So this is using prime factorization. So let's see. Divisibility by 3 tells me 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. So I know 3 cannot go into it. Can 11 go into 181? Let's give it a try. 11 going to 18 one time, that's 11. So if I subtract, that's 71. 11 cannot go to 71 evenly, so 11 is out of the question. All right, can 9 go into 181? The answer is no as well. Okay, so since none of the number I have out of the 99 can reduce my 181, then 99 over 181 got to be my answer. All right. How about we also take a look at subtracting fraction with the same denominator. Just like addition with the same denominator, all we're going to do is subtract the numerators, keep the common denominator the same, and then at the end we will reduce. So once you see the LCD is already the same, just subtract the numerator. So that gives me 7 over 13. That cannot be reduced, so that will be the answer. All right. 19 minus 7, the LCD is already 14, so keep it as 14. Okay. So never subtract denominator, never add the denominator once you already find once you find out what the common denominator is. All you do is simplify the numerator part. I believe 19 minus 7 give me 12. And 12 and 14 can be reduced by 2. So make sure you reduce your fractions in order for the homework and the test to count it correct. So that will be 6 over 7. All right. And I mentioned this one time before, consecutive numbers can never be reduced. So 6 over 7 will be my answer. So in this lecture video, we quickly talk about how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. So all we do is subtract the numerator or add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. And once I perform my operation, then I can reduce at the very end if it's possible. All right, that will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.